Insurance producers spend hours searching for the right businesses, finding decision makers, and building outreach one prospect at a time. Without a consistent way to discover, prioritize, and personalize opportunities, more time goes into research and less into selling. That's where Cadence comes in. Powered by Zeb's intelligent prospecting and outreach solution, built on Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Agent Core, Cadence turns manual prospecting into a connected, AI-driven workflow. Producers begin by defining their ideal customer profile. Cadence discovers matching businesses, removes existing customers, and scores each prospect so the strongest opportunities rise to the top. From there, Cadence generates personalized outreach for each contact, and, once approved, launches a multi-step email campaign, sending the initial message, scheduling follow-ups automatically, and tracking campaign activity and performance throughout. With Cadence, producers move from finding the right prospect to launching the right outreach, faster with less manual effort.